So I'm not sick, but running the heater at night, you get a little dried out. Your throat's a little like scratchy. What I have in a bowl is onion. I just sliced my onion about yay thick. Here's a little sugar. You can use honey if you haven't. And all you do is sprinkle. See that? Then layer again. More garlic. There's really no science to it. And again, more onion. So I'm gonna cover this up and just let it sit for a few hours, and then it makes it really, it doesn't even taste bad. It's a really good cough syrup. And then again, leave the butts of your onion out and change them out every 3 days, and it purifies your air. Stay well.